What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, I'm going to go over the Netgear R7000 AC1900, as this thing is broke and I want to see if I can fix it. Let's get started. And as you know, computers and consumer electronics just multiply and breed in my house. So this is something that was given to me, and I want to see if I can go ahead and fix this up and just give it away here on my channel if you can use it. So this is a Netgear AC1900. It is a R7000, and as you can see, it's just the antenna is damaged. So it should be a relatively simple fix. Then I'll have to take a look and see if there's any firmware updates available for it or if it's already end of life. And then once it's all finished, then I'll go ahead and just give it away here if you guys can use it. So if this is something that you can use, then go ahead and shoot me an email on how you would use it and be of benefit to you at brad@shinytechthings.com. And then in a future video, I will let my other viewers choose who gets this device. Now I do just ship within the United States, with the exception of if I do international shipping, I would ask for whoever wins it internationally to pay the difference to be able to receive it. Alright, so let's take this apart and get going. Alright, so first we're going to have to go ahead and pry off these rubber pads to get to the screws underneath. Well, we got the screws out. Let's see how this comes apart. Alright, there's a fifth screw here that I didn't see initially. Alright, so we can see here, let me get a closer shot. So as you can see right here, this actually came off of the solder points on the board. So I'm going to have to actually remove the board and try to solder this on my soldering station and test it out from there. So let's pull out the rest of the board. There we go. Alright, so it actually has a heat pad here, and it was sticking to this heat sink. And we can see where that broke off. Right here. So now I need to see about ordering a connector like this that still has the pins intact on it. As if I tried to just make my own fix to it, it would not be nearly as strong as having a new one from the factory. Now since this wasn't a simple fix, I'm going to need your help. If you can go ahead and find this connector, I'll go ahead and order it, solder it to the board, and then finish fixing it up and give it away on my channel. So help me find this right here. It looks like it has about a 8 or 9 inch long cable to it. and drop it in the comment section down below. And then I'll go ahead and make a second video on the actual repair of it. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button. And if you dislike this video and you really didn't like it, just go ahead and show me who's boss by slapping dislike twice. Again, thank you for watching. So this is something that, and then just give it away here on my channel if you can use it.